Meet the CEMOTO D02, the electric dirt bike built for serious power, with up to a 6,000-watt brushless motor and speeds reaching nearly 45 miles per hour. This bike is made for adrenaline. The long-range lithium battery delivers up to 50 miles per charge. Hydraulic suspension and hydraulic disc brakes keep every ride smooth and controlled. Aggressive off-road tires, lightweight frame, LCD display, and instant electric torque make the D02 perfect for trails, jumps, and city riding. Starting around just $969, the CEMOTO D02 delivers insane value for an electric dirt bike.